Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, in this video we are going to solve worksheet number 14, subject mathematics, date 19 August 2021. The class is 6 and here you need to write your name and here your class teacher's name, okay? So topic of this worksheet is integers introduction, as you can see right here. So now you can see there is a table given to us, this chart given to us. This is integers in daily life. Okay, so you can see first you need to see what is given here. Now integers are comprised of numbers of positive integers and negative integers. What are those? Let us see. And also zero. So see. First we read the examples given in positive integers. So number 1 is temperature 29 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. So first you need to see here that what this is trying to say, that is temperature 29 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now if you see 29 degrees Celsius, temperature is above 0 degrees Celsius, that is above, more than 0 degrees Celsius. So we have written 29 degrees Celsius for that. Second one, height of Mount Everest above sea level 8,848 meters. Now you need to keep one thing in mind with positive integers. We use this plus sign and then write the amount of meter, the number. Okay. Now you see that height of Mount Everest above the sea level is what? 8,848. So wherever you are getting above, more, deposited, added, like these words which refer to profit, they are related to positive integers. Okay. And you always use plus sign with that. It is not necessary to always use it. You have to use sometimes. If you don't use this plus sign, then even it will be recognized as a positive integer. Question third example, rupees 3,000 deposited in the bank. So you are giving something in the bank, you are depositing. That amount adds up in your money you have in your bank account. So that means this will be plus rupees 3,000. Again we have used this plus sign here. Now the fourth one is 12 students added in a class. Now again there are 12 students being added in one class, that is plus 12. Okay. 11th floor above ground level. Now ground level is the ground and 11th floor is 11th floor above that. So that means we will write plus 11 for that. Next, when you earn rupees 10,000 plus is equal to rupees 10,000. So when you earn something, then also you will put a plus sign, that is also a positive integer. So when you earn rupees 10,000 plus rupees 10,000, that is how we write these integers. So simply we have used plus sign with them if they add something to something, if they add amount, certain amount to thing. Now negative integers, temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, it is below, it is not above. So this will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then depth of Mariana Trench below sea level is equal to minus 10,994 meters. So Mariana Trench is below the sea level. So we write what here? Yes, we write minus 10,000. If it was above, then we will write plus. And yes, you need to keep one thing in mind. We use minus sign with the negative integers. Okay, and it is compulsory to use minus signs. Although in plus, if you don't use, then even it is recognized as positive integers. But here in negative integers, you have to use a minus sign. Number 3, rupees 4,000 withdrawn from the bank. Now again, here you see you have deposited something in the first positive integers. Now here you are withdrawing something, taking away something. So this will be in minus rupees 4,000. 2 students transferred from the class. So transferred means that they are leaving the class. So that means when they are leaving, what we will write? Minus 2 here. First level parking below ground. So first level parking is below ground level. Below ground level, so below the ground level, we will use minus 1 for this. When you spend rupees 400 minus rupees 400. So whenever you are gaining something, you are earning something, you are depositing something, or you are adding something, or any positive work, when you are adding into that, that is a positive integer, and when you are taking away something from something, that will be a negative integer. Now see this representation of integers on number lines, using number lines. So integer number line. So the number line we have studied starts from 0, but here it is a little bit different. Here 0 is in the center of the number line, and positive integers are written to the right of 0, and the negative integers are written to the left of 0. And you see, positive integers don't have plus sign, then even they are considered positive. But if they have a plus sign, then also they are positive integers. But in negative integers, there need to be a minus sign with them, so that they are identified as negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now here there are some rules given which you need to see, have a look at. Number 1 is the values of the numbers represented on the right side of 0 on the number line increases as their distance from the point 0 increases. So if you see these numbers which are represented on the right side, right here you can see, so these numbers are greater than 0. They are greater than what? 0. Okay, and the value keeps increasing as their distance from point 0 increases. So 1 is greater from 0, but 2 is greater from 1, then 3 is greater from 2, and then 4 is greater from 3. So like this, it keeps going on with other numbers, and as you all know, numbers are infinite, they don't end. So yeah, that is how we see the values of the numbers represented on the left side of the number line decreases as the distance from the point 0 decreases. Okay, so see here we have a 0 here. Now if you see minus 1 is smaller than 0. Now if you see minus 2 will be smaller than minus 1, and minus 3 will be smaller than minus 2, minus 4 will be smaller than minus 3, and so on. Okay, so as you see, wherever they are going to the left side, if you go to the numbers on the left side, the values start to decrease, and if you go to the numbers to the right side of 0, the values start to increase. Okay, and as you know, all the negative integers are smaller than 0, and all the positive integers are greater than 0. Okay, now let's come down. So some interesting facts about integers given here. 0 is greater than all negative integers, but it is lesser than all the positive integers, as I have told you. 1 is the smallest positive integer. Okay, so you need to keep this in mind, that 1 is the smallest positive integer, and minus 1 is the largest negative integer. Okay, is the largest negative integer or the greatest negative integer. Number 4, every positive number is larger than every negative number. So if you say we have 1 here, and here we have minus 1. So which one will be greater here? Always the positive number is greater, so that means 1 will be greater than minus 1. Okay. Farther a number from 0 on the right of the number line, larger is its value, as I have told you. So if you take 1, it is larger than 0. If you take 2, then it will be larger than 1 and 0, and so on. It keeps moving. Now, farther a number from 0 on the left of a number line, smaller is its value. So if you see minus 1 is smaller than 0, minus 2 is smaller than minus 1, and also than 0, and it keeps going on, so like that. Okay, now there are some, let's do questions given here. So let's quickly solve these questions. So 500 meters below sea level, what will be the answer? Below it is, so minus 500 meters. Okay, rupees 900 deposited in a bank, so that is plus rupees 900. Okay, next is loss of rupees 2000. You are losing something, so what will you write? Minus rupees rupees 2000. Okay. Now next one is kite is flying 500 meters above ground. Very simple, we will write plus 500 meters. Okay. Question 2. Represent the following integers on the number line. -7 plus 3, 0, -6. So I have already made the number line here. You can have a look at this. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So this is the number line that I made. First integer we have to represent is -7, which you can see is over here. This is -7. Second integer is given to us. What is it? +3. So +3, I have not written plus sign, but still it's a positive integer. So we can simply say 3 to this even, or +3. 0. 0 is always in the center of the line. And then we have -6 in D1. So -6, where you will find it is a negative integer. So go to the left. You see here we have -6. So -6 will be smaller than 0, as you all know. So the integers on the left will be smaller than 0 and integers on the right will be greater than 0, as I have already told you. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.